Karen Jetley Live.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox Casio Wave Ceptor watch which I got for my mom. The model number of this watch is LWA M145 and this is a solar powered radio controlled watch. So guys, I got it from BIC Camera in Kawasaki, Tokyo, Japan. So guys, this watch, it comes with 3 years international warranty, and here it is. It comes with this ultra soft silicone band and it has a digital date screen at 6 o'clock position. This watch, it offers water resistance up to 30 meters, means you can wear it for your day-to-day activities without worrying about anything. So guys, this watch is loaded with different functions like world time, timer, stopwatch, calendar and much more. So guys, since this is a ladies watch, so I won't be wearing it on my wrist today. So guys, that's all for today. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.